Matthew and Brandon here at Maddie's Auto in Niagara. We got Brandon working on an older Toyota, running some brake line here. And I get to dive into two electrical nightmares here to finish out my day. Move on to some other stuff. We got a 2017 Jeep Compass here, presented with the Misfire. Good customer of mine. Just purchased this vehicle. All I gotta say is that badge right there, that says it all. We'll be going through and making sure everything else is where it needs to be, taking a good hard look at this thing after I get the Misfire diagnosed. But P0302 Misfire on number 2, brand new coil, brand new connectors, nearly new spark plug. Issue still not fixed. Sold it like that because it was missing. Was the story I got from day number 1. And here it's still missing on number 2 after some work was already done. So clearly chasing something, not fixing it properly, or diagnosing it, I should say. So stay tuned to part 2. Like I said, we'll be going through this thing with a fine-tooth comb, making sure everything's on the up and up. Because the dealers, I still have a chip on my shoulder from the dealers, specifically that one in Iron Mountain. I bet you they thought I'd never amount to anything yet. Here the fuck I am. So make it a great Wednesday.